Hello viewers, welcome to today's video. In today's video I'll be introducing you to Microsoft Excel. Okay, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software that allows users to analyze, to store, organize data in table format. Okay, and Microsoft Excel is used for various purposes like data management, financial analysis, and data visualization. And now I'll first want to show you how to access Microsoft Excel. Now you can find Microsoft Excel from your desktop, or you come to the start button here. Okay, you can find it here, or you come to the search bar here and just type Excel. You'll find it here. Okay, or you can also find it in the taskbar here. You can also find it from here. So let's open our Microsoft Excel. You double click, there it comes. Okay, there it comes. So you have this blank workbook. Okay, then we can also have templates, pre-made templates. We have this template. All these are what? Templates. So let's first open our blank workbook here. So I want to show you some features of Microsoft Excel. So the upper part of the workbook here, the whole of this upper part is what is called the ribbon, and the ribbon contains tabs which contain relevant commands which you can use depending on the type of action you want to carry out. We have the insert tab, we have the page layout tab, we have the formula tab, data, review, help. So all those ones are tabs which contain relevant commands. So we have also the formula bar here. Okay, I'll talk about the formula bar later. So let's see what is called a workbook, for example. Okay, now a workbook is a collection of spreadsheets or worksheets. A workbook is a collection of sheets. Now a collection of sheets is what forms a workbook. Now you realize also that we have what is called a cell. Now a cell is where your data is entered. This is a cell, this is a cell, this is a cell. Now an active cell has a green borderline like this one here. This green borderline here. This cell is active. So when it is like this, it is inactive. But the moment you click on it, it becomes active, shown by the green borderline. Okay, so we also have rows and columns. You know, a cell is identified by rows and columns. Now I want to talk about something of rows and columns. Now rows and columns are horizontal and vertical arrangement of cells. Okay, and then we have formulas and functions. As I told you earlier on, this is the formula bar. Okay, it's a formula bar. Then let me talk about rows and columns. Rows and columns. Rows and columns. Now rows are horizontal arrangements labeled or identified with the numbers. Okay, identify with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And columns are vertical arrangements identified by letters A, B, C, alphabetical letters. All of these identified by vertical letters. So in the next video I will give the exact application of this Microsoft Excel by us making a report card. Okay, otherwise, thank you for today's video. See you in the next video.